Seeing hair swirl down the drain? Tough, huh? What if the fix is already hiding in your kitchen? Stick with me. Let's craft a follicle fuel shampoo in 8 short minutes. Natural, affordable, backed by science, we'll wake sleepy follicles together. In minutes, you'll know the why and the how. Ready to reclaim your hair? Let's begin. How to prepare the recipe. Let's turn pantry items into power. Take an onion and peel it. Each layer strips doubt from your journey. Onions thicken hair and treat loss. Sulfur wakes follicles like sunrise. Eyes may water, but roots will smile. Tears here mean growth later. Cut the onion into small slices. More surface, stronger infusion. Precision wins. If you have small onion, then cut whole. Otherwise, take half onion. Let the rhythm of chopping spark hope. Every ring promises thicker strands. Kitchen smells bold. Courage grows bolder. Your comeback has a fragrance now. Onions boost scalp circulation. Fresh flow delivers nutrients to roots. Better blood flow, better growth. Think of it as cardio for hair. Reduces scalp infections. Goodbye itch, hello calm skin. Healthy foundation equals lasting volume. Treat the soil, reap the forest. Put the onion slices in a pot. Our tiny cauldron of comeback begins. Listen for the first sizzle, that's science greeting tradition. Add a tablespoon of rice, ancient grain armor for fragile strands. Rice water once crowned empresses. Today it crowns you. Rice repairs damaged cuticles. Inositol seals cracks like invisible tape. Feel softness already forming. Miracles simmer quietly. Add a tablespoon of cloves. Tiny buds that boost shine and strength. Spice perfume tells your senses. Self-care is in session. Cloves strengthen hair follicles. Antioxidant shields lock each strand tight. They're nature's tiny bodyguards, stationed at every root. Add 2 bay leaves. Tradition crowns your brew with fullness. Bay's aroma whispers resilience. Roots listen and obey. Bay leaf thickens hair, tackles bald spots. Its oils coach dormant roots to rise. Imagine new sprouts saluting soon. Patience is watering unseen seeds. Add a cup of water. Watch ingredients swirl into herbal storm. Liquid orchestra begins to play, each bubble a tiny drum. Boil the ingredients for 10 minutes. Patience here for potency later. Let steam carry away doubt. Hope condenses back in the pot. After boiling, turn off the stove. Let the magic breathe and settle. Cooling locks flavors the way rest locks memories. Essential and quiet. Bottle, store, and shake to activate tips. Filter the mixture with a strainer. Capture every drop of liquid gold. herbs bow out. Extract takes the stage. Pure, potent, ready. We have a mixture of ingredient extracts, a potion awaiting its final kick. Color like amber, scent like courage. You crafted bottled belief. Add a teaspoon of instant coffee. Caffeine blocks DHT, enemy of growth. Granules melt. Roots perk up. Morning brew for your scalp. Coffee prevents loss and fights baldness. Just as it fights morning fog, think of it as espresso for follicles. Quick, bold, effective. We need shampoo, a gentle base to carry these heroes. Skip harsh sulfates, choose kindness. Your scalp deserves soft words. Add a little shampoo to the mixture. Creamy swirls promise perfect fusion. Stir clockwise, then reverse. Balance makes remedies sing. Mix briskly. Texture turns latte silk. That's harmony in liquid form. No lumps, no worries. Your elixir is stage ready. Put the mixture in your shampoo bottle. Label it Growth Potion with pride. Massage routine for maximum absorption. DIY magic now has an address. Bathroom shelf, top row. Before each use, shake the bottle well. Herbs nap. A quick dance wakes them. Like stretching before a run, activation is everything. How to use this shampoo? Your shower just became a spa ritual. Little luxury, lasting impact. Self-care in every lather. Wash hair with potion during each shower. Massage 1 minute. Foam lingers lovingly. Think of it as scalp meditation. Relax, breathe, renew. Use this shampoo twice a week. Consistency turns hope into habit. Routine beats fortune. Show up. Strands follow. Amazing results surface in the first week. Less shedding greets your pillow at dawn. Small wins add up fast. Capture them. Celebrate them. This shampoo prevents hair loss long term. Simple roots crafting lasting shield. Fortress built from everyday foods. Nature's budget superhero. Stimulates growth and thickens hair. Watch baby strands bloom into confidence. Weekly plan plus results timeline. Volume returns like an old friend, eager for reunion photos. Valid for women and men battling baldness. Unity in growth. No scalp left behind. Every texture invited to thrive. Every age allowed to hope. Recipe tested and 100% effective. Real strands, real smiles, real proof. Let testimonials be your compass. Results louder than claims. Write in comments. Which country are you in? Let's map a globe of thicker hair. Your flag could spark someone's journey. Support radiates across borders. Drop one tip you've learned on this path. Wisdom multiplies when shared. Community wisdom covers blind spots. We grow better together. Hit like if this brew inspired you. Algorithm love spreads herbal love. The more we share, the fewer hairs despair. Thanks for watching till the last bubble. Shake that bottle, Your comeback starts now. Here's to thicker, happier hair, and kitchens that heal more than hunger.